Alright my friends, I'm going down to my buddy Mike's for a field call. This is about how much snow we got. What is there, about 8 inches on the deck there. Where it's shoveled, the sun melts off the snow. It's a pretty good sized drift there. Yeah, it's okay. Here we are at Mike's. Here's Mike. There's a young man underneath that mask. So, I brought my tools with me.
So, this has worked perfectly.
Oh, good.
Other than this year's been a little hesitant in starting. I've had to pull it about 20 times.
Oh, is that right?
So I think it might be a dirty plug, I don't know. But it's been drained of all gas in the winter, like you taught me.
Okay.
Premium fuel only. So everything worked great. I've had probably occasion to use it 5 or 6 times this year.
Yeah.
But my neighbor has had a bit of a problem with his TikTok.
Oh yeah.
And unbeknown to me, he threw a little salt, I guess, on his last dump of snow. I didn't know that, and I went over there, and so all of a sudden now I got heavy snow. And everything still worked fine, it didn't clog up, but just when I'm finished, I'm cranking it, and nothing happens.
Okay.
So she won't turn it off.
Oh, okay. Well, I actually got the video out. It was 2016.
Okay.
2016.
Wow.
Does that not even seem possible, eh? But I had
4
the video
years, just
4
like
years,
that.
4 years ago, and that's the last time I actually had the carburetor off and was yanking and pulling.
Yes.
So that's
yep.
okay. Did you want?
But now you see this?
Yes.
Nothing.
Right.
Like normally you can turn that quite easily.
But it does turn by the crank though, right?
Normally, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Well, we're gonna do this.
So, am I right in assuming that the shroud has to come off?
I'm thinking you're exactly right, but I'm not gonna bend over. We're gonna put it up on the workbench.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, there you go.
Ready, set? Yep. It's a heavy mother.
It is. Well, you know what? This is an older unit, right? It's probably 15 years old.
Oh, I think so.
Okay, guys, we got it up on the. I gotta do a little narration here for my friends. Mick, you dog. Not you, Mike. Mick, my friend Mick. He lives in England. He said, you go do that field call and take your camera with you. So here, Mike and I are going to do it, and they all know this one.
And Mick, for the first 20 years of my life, I was Mickey.
Oh, and Mick hates this because everything's in where it's supposed to be, and his benches aren't like that.
And neither is mine. You can show him mine over there and make him feel good.
So anyway, we'll just do this, and I'm going to get my drill and everything. I'll make this easy.
Okay.
You just don't know what the owner has, eh? That'll be a 10, eh? Whoop, sorry, guys. Knocked my friends over. Field calls are always a little harder, but the nice thing about it is that I can take it home, eh?
Well, exactly. Oh, exactly. Precisely. I thought, whoa, that is smart. Because it may not be something that is easily remedied. And we've got about another 5 months of winter, Mick.
Now, he lives in England, so he can hardly understand us. So there was 9 of us on the video stream this morning.
Oh my God!
And one's 2 guys from New York, I think, and one is in
is
England, and yeah, they're all over the place. And I might have to take these off. I just had a cataract done.
Did you?
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
Next month. And how did that go? And who did it? That's my. And you happy?
No.
No.
But I'm just yeah. Well, I guess I have so many floaters that I thought I might see better than I am.
Okay.
But now I'm focusing on the floaters.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
And
it's
still been a couple of weeks. 2 weeks, 2 weeks in a day. I'm still,
that's good.
And he said, don't even talk to me for a month.
Exactly.
So it is getting better.
And you're not supposed to be lifting shit today.
No, it's a 1 week, no lift, no vibration. 2 weeks, take it easy, and then you can go back to your life.
Okay. Well.
But you're right.
Take it easy. I'm scheduled for. Now, when are you going to get the other one done?
I don't have anything wrong with it.
Oh.
But I have had. I can edit that out. I've had 2. Sorry. And typical me, you guys are watching nothing. I've had two injuries on this eye.
Oh,
and I think that's why it had the problems.
Ah, okay. Now, how long did you have to wait to get in to see him?
You know,
Oh my good God.
I thought that wasn't bad. I was expecting a lot worse with the pandemic and everything. I was
Oh
expecting.
dear. Well, I am in there like Flynn. I'm
Okay, well,
embarrassed to tell you how quickly I'm getting in.
Well, no, that's good. But then, you know. Is that it?
That's it. Okay. There.
So anybody, this is Mike Sr. And Mike Jr. worked with my wife for 17 years before she retired.
Oh, she's retired now.
Yeah, she finally is done.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
So we have a worm here.
Ah, so what's happened is it's gone right to the end of the travel. We're grinding on. There's nothing to grind on.
So how do we fix that?
Well, I think. Oh, would you guys quit falling over? I actually talk to it like it's a person.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
Anyway, we're going to have a little look right here, guys. Okay, so as you can see right there, and I'm going to do a little zoom in. There we go. We're right at the end of the last gear, and it's grinding on steel, not gears. So I'm just going to turn you guys off for a minute, you guys.
Excellent.
So here we go, ladies and germs. The mount is loose. And when you got to the end of the travel, which is there, it pushed this way. So I'm just going to now put it in a mid-range position and adjust it so it's not loose but not tight. Be back in a bit. I'm just going to adjust this guy.
And would you put any weight?
So anyway, Mike just said how we're going to break it again, but there we are.
Fantastic.
So what I did was I put this in where it was, right, guys? There's a nut on the back that's welded. It was back in the day when they did things right. And I just actually loosened it off a tad, and then I greased it. We'll hold that there. You go, Mike, you just turn away like crazy. And it just feels great.
Oh, there's no resistance whatsoever.
Yeah.
None. Fantastic.
Okay. So now we'll put the, I am going to just torque that down. Could you hold that?
Of course I will.
We'll do an action shot.
There. Ella, you are now on YouTube.
You don't want to be, you don't have to be. This old guy's been on YouTube for 9 years now. Does that read? That doesn't feel. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
I think there is a little resistance in the shape of it.
Good. I'm going to say, oh, I hate that.
Fixed.
Fixed?
Yep. It was a worm gear that ran out of worms.
Oh, no wonder you couldn't fix that.
Oh.
Bruce just had cataract surgery.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
Oh.
The 19th? The 19th?
All good?
Oh. That's not going in. Why not?
Lined up right?
Probably not. Let's just see what we got. They're different sizes too, hey?
Oh, you're kidding.
Oh, well.
That's not like Honda, is it?
Well,
Really?
How are the eyes?
Well, he had
I only had one.
Yes.
He had a
And,
couple of injuries.
Yeah, this eye's been injured a couple of times.
Yeah.
So I've got a retinal floater that I thought was part of the cataract.
Yeah.
So it's still there, which I was disappointed in.
Ah.
And then I've got another. I was out hunting years ago and I got a willow across my eye, and I lost vision in it for a week and a half.
Yeah.
So that old eye's been through a lot.
Yeah.
But you know what? I can see better than. If I put my glasses on now, I can't see out of that eye, of course, because
Right.
it's been corrected.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pretty good. Like that white truck there, I
Yeah.
can't quite read the license plate on it.
You're kidding. Wow. And with me,
I'm
with
joking.
Oh, okay. Good. Jeez, I thought,
There's a
wow.
red mark on the plate, but I can't tell what it is.
God.
Yeah.
I've never had so many eye drops in all my life.
Yeah, I know,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
crazy.
4 different kinds, before and after.
Yeah, before and after, and then the day of, you just sit there and get eye drops for an hour and a half before they start.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you kind of a nervous patient?
You know, I am. And I did have him give me something to settle my brain down before
Good.
he took the potato.
Did you have to ask for it?
I did mention it.
Oh, good.
And
Because
I-
that's
and
exactly where I
asked him,
am.
I said, you're going to be taking a really expensive potato peeler to my eye, so could I have something to settle my brain down?
Good, good, good.
'Cause it's just a big potato peeler. Isn't that scary, eh?
No, that doesn't sound nice.
Are we right? I think we are.
I think you are. You got one more over here.
And there's 2.
Oh,
There's one over here. I better get that one because it's kind of, we don't want a lopsidedness.
this is a great little tripod.
It,
It actually steadies the camera.
it does. And of course, okay. So give her a twist, Mike, and we'll see if we've got real world movement.
It's
Here's one of my lines. There aren't enough O's in smooth to describe that.
Man.
Okay, Mick, yes, that's how a toolbox is supposed to look, eh? Okay, got my goodies in the back. Just move slow here.
Oh, yeah.
There's Mike. Thanks, Mike. We're going home. I didn't have to take it home. It's back in the garage. So thanks everybody for watching. If I publish this, I'm not sure if I will or not. Alright, this toolbox is pretty heavy, as you can imagine. It's got all the good small engine stuff in it. So we're just going to put it on the magic chair here. Let gravity do the work. We're home now. And we'll just push the magic chair. Yes, I stole that humor from Road King. And you can, we'll just push it through here ever so. The truck's a little further to the right than usual. There we go. Over here. Right over into that hole right there. Come on. There we go. Right back into its happy little place. Successful!